We can calculate the percentage composition by mass if we know the atomic mass of all elements of the compound and the number of moles. The percent by mass is equal to the atomic mass of the element in a compound multiplied by number of moles of this element divided by molar mass of the compound multiplied by 100 to convert it to percentage. Let's look at this example. Calculate the percentage by mass of iron in iron 3 oxide, Fe2O3. If the relative atomic mass value for iron is equal to 55.8 and for oxygen 16.0. Let's first calculate the molar mass of iron 3 oxide. The iron 3 oxide molar mass is equal to 2 because we have 2 iron atoms multiplied by the relative atomic mass of iron 55.8 and 3 oxygens multiplied by the relative atomic mass of oxygen 16.0 equal to 159.6 grams per mole. There are 2 moles of iron in each mole of iron 3 oxide. The percentage by mass is equal to 2 moles of iron multiplied by the relative atomic mass of iron 55.8 divided by the molar mass of iron 3 oxide 159.6 multiplied by 100 to convert it into a percentage equal to 69.9%. Another example. Calculate the percentage by mass of carbon in ethanol, C2H5OH. Knowing that the relative atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12.0 for hydrogen, equal to 1.0 for oxygen, equal to 16.0. First, we calculate the molar mass of ethanol. 2 carbons times 12 plus 6 hydrogens times 1 plus 1 oxygen times 16 equal to 46 grams per mole. The percentage by mass of carbon is equal to 2 carbons times 12.0 divided by the molar mass of ethanol 46.0 grams per mole multiplied by 100 to convert it to percentage equal to 52.2%.